Week 29. This week, Native Instruments gifted a coupon to people with access to Native Access, and it gets $50 off of $100 or more. And I was with a conundrum of what to do with it. So I needed some more orchestral stuff, and it took a whole day of going back and forth before deciding on getting the Fables and Lore soundtrack or a sound pack. The guy that wrote the soundtrack to District 9 made these sounds. Packed inside is a ton of instruments, and then you blend them together in a interface to build your sample pad. And ton of fun. Been playing the keyboard with it a whole lot, and I think we're going to make some real neat stuff. This week, or last week, I mentioned Glaze being free, and it is a play series instrument. And the way it works is really interesting. You have an A and B side, and if we cut it all the way, it's all the ooh, right? And so that's how these play series instruments work. It was really hard not to just get the full contact player at a discount because there's a lot of really great stuff in there, but I wanted more orchestral stuff in general. And Fables and Lores is just really lush. We'll probably get into that next week. Um, and this week, I did something a little bit different. Whenever I was digging through Glaze, which, by the way, my software updated and I lost all my favorites again. But while I was digging through Glaze, favoriting things, thing that kept coming up was, well, let's just make something while we're going through it, because like some of these sounds just lend themselves to being a nice riser, or a nice fill in, or a transitional noise. So I wrote a little tune while making it, and I'll share it with you now. Nice riser, and then this noise I thought made a nice percussive element. A lot of my free time, whenever I'm practicing finger drumming, this is the kind of stuff I'm doing. I'm just playing the variations on the money beat and trying to make new fills. See, nice transition noise. anyways, that's week 29 in a nutshell. If you're a Native Instruments user, check your email because the coupon code is probably in there and you can get some good stuff on the cheap. Um, I'll be back in week 30 and I'll see you then. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.